Welcome to another video. I just tried 5 intros and couldn't get any of them right, so I've decided I'm just going to start this because I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Anyhow, today we're going to be going to Canary Wharf in London, and I'm going to be taking with me the Canon 5D Mark III and the 24-70, which is probably my favourite lens, to be honest. Today we're going to be basically going out, seeing what shots we can get. Going to try some long exposures at sunset and blue hour, and yeah, see what we can do. So let's go. We made it. We're in Blackwall Basin. Actually, let me show you where we are. This is where I am, if you can see that, in Canary Wharf. And this is what we're going to be shooting first. Going to do some long exposures. Hopefully no one's around listening to me, and hopefully no one tells me to leave. Alright. Alright. Pop the ND filter on. Oh, that water is so nice. Why is that not fastening? Alright, I'm going crazy. Alright. ISO down. Right. I'm gonna go to 8. Yeah, I am. I'm on manual focus. Alright, finally. I'm getting there. Alright, let's do a test. Oh, white balance on. That'll do. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with. Okay. Right. Move back. Let's go down here. Try that. Then go a little bit longer. 3 stops. And go 3 stops darker. Ideally, I'd like it to be a little bit darker. Right, so basically, I would rather wait here, but I kind of need to get to the next location and get back. So I won't be able to wait until it gets dark, so we're going to move on and go back to Canary Wharf. Even though the sky's starting to look really good, but we can come back. Alright, we're at West India Quay Station. Got the shot set up. We've got a train coming. Hopefully we can get some light trails, and if we're lucky another train's going to come and we're going to get a banger. Please turn on, you stupid piece of... Thank you very much. Alright, when this train goes, see if we can get the shot. Also, if that plane was quiet, it would be a really big help. Much appreciated. Cheers, mate. Alright, let's go. And try one now. think we can go a bit longer on the odd shutter. I swear I spend far too much time in my life waiting for buses or trains for photos. Shit, here we go. I was hoping it would come down a different lane, but it's gone there. But we can live with this. Okay, it's not great. Need it down the middle, really. Alright. I think we can live with that. We got one more shot here. Ooh, that's tasty. Alright. Okay, this last shot, I'm going to go over to Big Easy and then to that tunnel that I can't remember the name of. I'll see you there. Right. So I had to keep stopping recording because I'm very low on battery. I'm trying to be economical with what I record. Anyhow, here we are, Big Easy. Okay. Nicely in focus. I completely forgot what length I put this on. I think it's 5 seconds. Yep. Go a bit longer. It's another time where I would rather have a wide angle lens, and I'm seriously considering buying one. Although the 24 does do well here. So yeah, my battery died, which is a little bit annoying, but we've still got some good shots, and we're going to have a look at them here and talk about which ones I was happy with and talk you through them a little bit. So this is the first shot here, which we've got Canary Wharf. I'm actually very happy with this. It's got a nice moody look to it, which I'm happy with. I would have liked the sky to be a bit darker, and it could have been interesting, but probably come back and do that another time, to be honest. But to give you a look at how I edited this, just used a preset, which you can buy on my website. I think I went for urban. Oh no, I didn't do that. I think I went with London, and then basically just fiddled around with it a bit. Dehazed it a little bit more, kind of brought out more here, gave it a bit more contrast, added on good old linear gradient. You can never go wrong with a nice linear gradient. Add a little bit of clarity to that, dehaze it a little bit more, and then do the same up above, and then I just brushed in a bit more clarity and exposure to the buildings. I'm just going to do a quick job of this, and a little bit down here. A bit more shadows and a bit of clarity there. And yeah, that's all I did really. I did a little bit in Photoshop to make it a little bit moodier, bring out some of the colours a bit more. But yeah, that was just using my presets and then doing a little bit of fiddling. Anyhow, next we had this shot at West India Quay, which I really like. I was really happy with this. It's not exactly what I had in my mind, but I'm quite happy with how it came out with. I like the way that it fills up this side of the frame and kind of goes into the middle. It's like leading you into the center of the photo. And again with this one, I just used a preset, cropped it for Instagram. If you don't know how to do this, by the way, to crop a landscape photo to portrait, you can just click this guy here and then autocorrect that, and then you're good. And then for this, put another preset on. Went with, I'm Moody Greens for this, but I think I went with Urban Mood in the end again, because I wanted to bring out the oranges a little bit more. So I just fixed a little bit of the exposure, desaturate those oranges and yellows a little bit, bring out the reds a bit, and then I need to brush in here to kind of bring out this train, because obviously this is the main part of the photo really, it's leaning into the center. So again, I'm just going to do a quick job of this. A terrible brushing technique here, I'd be a horrific painter. But yep, add a bit of contrast to that, a little bit of clarity, maybe a bit more, and dehaze it a bit. And then throw in a cheeky radial gradient, because why not? Bring out the center of that image a little bit more. And yeah, that's basically all I did there to get to that photo. And then we had this one. It's worked well without the train, I think. Obviously having the train in there is another aspect of the photo which makes it look a lot better. But I was happy with this one as well. Then the last photo we took was here at the Big Easy. And this was really good. I would have liked it again to be a bit darker, so I could have had a longer exposure, get the water a bit more clear and get that nice smooth look, and have the buildings lit up nicely. But for the time of day, I think it came out very well. For this one, I didn't crop it, but I did straighten it. And then a few presets of work here, I think. Doom and Gloom's pretty cool. Golden Hour you can play around with, I think. London's nice. You can go for Moody Blues, Urban Night, but I think I went with Moody Greens because it had a nice little kind of glow to it almost. Yeah, and then I just edited the water a bit, made that a bit sharper, bring out the highlights in there a little bit, and then basically you're good to go there. Maybe add a bit of clarity, change the colours, but pretty happy with that. So I think all of those photos, all in all, I think did a good job, had a lot of fun. If you want to see me go back to Canary Wharf, or if you've got any other ideas of where you think I should go next, places you'd like to see, please do let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.